Hey guys, welcome to Jazz Piano Daily number 104. Let's jump right into it now here today. Here's part 2 of our walking bass line tutorial. Let's take a look at the music. Let me play it for you. We're going to be ending on C, and that's going to be the start of tomorrow's lesson. All right, so with the chords. Like I said, don't worry about the chords. We'll talk about that in a lesson in a few days. So for right now, just focus on that bass line. So let's go through the notes. E flat, middle finger, thumb, second, thumb, second, thumb, second, middle, and then 2, 3, and then I'm going to give you 2 fingerings here. You can cross underneath and go 1, 2, 1, or 2, 3, 5, 3, 1. Or 2, 3, 5, 4, 3. But then you're going to have a problem because then you're going to have to cross underneath. So I don't like that. 5, 4, 3. I don't really like that fingering. The fingering that I kind of like the best, ironically, is 2, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So I'm just going to play it several times, nice and slow. You can jump in, play it along with. I'm just going to play simple chords in the right hand. Actually, no, I'll do the full chord. So E flat 7, to B flat 7, G7, or G7, nice sharp 9. Okay, again. Finger, thumb, second. It doesn't really matter. You can hit your middle finger there. Second, thumb, second, thumb. This is what's written. Again. Now, do you remember yesterday's bass line? New bass line for today? Okay. Now, what you want to try and do is move from yesterday's bass line into today's bass line. That's why we're only doing 4 measures at a time, so that you don't have so many notes that you have to try and remember and get under your fingertips. Wait a second, Willie, aren't you throwing in some extra rhythm there and some extra notes? Yes, I am. I'm going to show you those little tricks as well as we go on, all right? So I'll take them out for right now. I just wanted to kind of play it for you so you can hear, I kind of hear how cool it is when you add in some of that alternate rhythm. Like I said, I'll show you that in a future lesson very soon. Yesterday's bass line, and then I'll tell you when we're moving in today's bass line. So yesterday's bass line. Today. Again, don't worry about the chords. Let's go through today's bass line one time just by itself. Or the fingering that's written there for the B flat, thumb. So whichever fingering makes most sense to you. I like the 5, 3, 1, but a lot of people are not going to like that, so you might like coming underneath your thumb. Whichever makes the most sense for you. All right, so anyway, work on that bass line, and I'll see you in tomorrow's lesson. To get the first 45 pages of music for free, just go back to jazzpianodaily.com. If you liked the video, please be sure to click the like button and also subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. To watch the rest of the lessons in this series, just click on the playlist to the right of this arrow. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.